Best practices for commercial cleaning and disinfection for ambulatory care and healthcare facilities. Guidelines for cleaning and disinfecting. While cleaning can remove pathogens and significantly reduce germs on contaminated surfaces, it will not disinfect surfaces. Cleaning should be your first step. However, because organic matter left on surfaces can reduce the effectiveness of disinfectants. Commercial cleaning services should use hospital-grade, EPA-registered disinfectants that are effective in mitigating the effects of SARS-CoV-2, the virus responsible for COVID-19. Disinfectants should be prepared and used according to the manufacturer's specifications. Using the incorrect concentration levels can reduce effectiveness. Failing to leave surfaces wet for the required amount of dwell time can also reduce effectiveness because surfaces need to remain wet long enough for the product to deactivate pathogens. The best practices include proper procedures, frequency and methods for healthcare facilities, cleaning and disinfection checklists, monitoring, training and experience. Learn more about the best practices for commercial cleaning and disinfection for ambulatory care and healthcare facilities by downloading the executive report on this page. OpenWorks' elite network of service providers has more than 35 years of experience providing extraordinary commercial cleaning results for healthcare facilities and ambulatory care centers. OpenWorks uses the most effective and innovative processes, and its highly trained professional cleaners use the latest cleaning technology and practices and provide the best service in the industry. OpenWorksWeb.com. Get an estimate.